Hello everyone, I'm Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the ATV and UTV ball joint kit from Tusk. Alright everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're giving you a quick look at these UTV and ATV ball joint kits coming from Tusk. These are a great high quality OEM replacement at a great price point as well. Now when it comes to ball joints, you have to remember it's a wear item. It's inevitable, they are going to wear out, and a quick, easy way to tell if you need to replace those, if you get your ATV or UTV wheel off the ground, put one hand on top, one on the bottom, just kind of shimmy it back and forth. If you feel some slop or some play in there, very good indicator it's time to get those replaced, because if you don't, it can lead to further damage. I've even seen worst case scenario when everything just comes apart. It can cause severe damage to your machine. So make sure to stay up on that maintenance. As far as how these are constructed, they're 4130 heat treated chromoly, so again, very high quality. They have a ball end cup, which protects the stud from the inner steel housing, which is going to help with the longevity. And being a kit, your upper and your lower is going to come with your snap ring, your cotter pin, as well as your castle nut. So everything you need for these to get installed. And remember though, if you haven't yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we have a lot of great how-to videos that we use to help you get the job done from home, to help you save some money. And also keep in mind, when it comes to doing your ball joints, while you're doing that process, it's not a bad idea to check out your AR bushings, maybe your tie rod and your wheel bearings, your brake pads. So just make sure, do your routine maintenance, look at your service manual, know what jobs you should be doing, what you should be looking for, because a lot of times while you're doing one job, it's really good to inspect and check out others as well. At Rocky Mountain ATV MC, we have all your parts and accessories that you need to get the job done. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. So just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. If you guys like this product spotlight, like I said, get subscribed. That way you stay up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.